Hi. In our ongoing series where we debate nature versus nurture, today let's talk about a few environmental hazards that our little souls battle on their own. The first one happens to be parental predispositions, our habits, our patterns, our undetected psychological conditions, alcohol dependencies, and other such habits have a major effect on how a child processes the world and sometimes can hamper their development. The second one happens to be physical hazards, such as falling down, getting burned, getting cut, getting chipped on the knee. These are the physical hazards that come into play when a child is developing in the most formative years. The third one happens to be language related hazards. A child who fails to develop language or language related skills struggles to make friends and be accepted in the social circle. And the fourth one happens to be the helplessness that these little ones feel. Let's help them overcome these hazards, face them, and guide them in the right direction so that they can develop into mature, confident little beings. See you the next week.